+2 വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾക്കും എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾക്കുമായുള്ള ഇ-ലേണിംഗ് സോഫ്റ്റ്വെയറുകളാണ് വിപണിയിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ നിലവിലുള്ളത്. തനിക്കുള്ള പാഠ്യഭാഗങ്ങളും ലാബ് പരീക്ഷണങ്ങളും മറ്റും 3D സാങ്കേതികവിദ്യയുടെ സഹായത്തോടെ മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ ഇത്തരം സോഫ്റ്റ്വെയറുകൾ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെ സഹായിക്കുന്നു. അധ്യാപകനും വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളും തമ്മിൽ സംവദിക്കുന്നതുപോലെ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറും വിദ്യാർത്ഥിയും തമ്മിൽ സംവദിക്കുന്ന ഇന്ററാക്റ്റീവ് സോഫ്റ്റ്വെയറുകളാണ് വിപണിയിലുള്ളത്. പല സംസ്ഥാനങ്ങളിലും ഇത്തരം ഇ-ലേണിംഗ് സോഫ്റ്റ്വെയറുകൾ സർക്കാർ സഹായത്തോടെ സ്കൂളുകളിൽ ഇതിനകം ലഭ്യമാണ്.
The conventional way of learning, which was a teacher and student interaction only, now needs to get transformed into a 21st century requirement, and which would be a blended learning. And a blended learning is something which supports not only the teacher but also supports the student in terms of two main things. One is it gives them learning anytime, anywhere kind of a situation, and number two, it brings out a simulated experience which is not possible for a teacher alone to do in a classroom. So if you look, say, in a school perspective, when a teacher is trying to explain a complex theorem, to put examples through simulation becomes very easy. So understanding of a child becomes much easier, and it is also very easy for teacher because they can work once on that module and bring it to the class and try to explain. So what is happening is that the child is just not seeing something happening on the screen. The student is also participating, and it is proven by research that if you participate in learning process, you keep the things for life, you retain the things for life. Initially, for 1 month, teachers may find it difficult, but once they start using it, they are so happy with it because there is a lot of day-to-day work which is cut out due to use of software, and they can always continue to work hard. As a publisher in the country, we realize that in 21st century education is not only going to happen through books. The process of education is going to be a blended learning requirement, and we felt that as a company and a group we are well equipped because we have content as our biggest resource, and we have close to about 700 authors who are intellectually aligned to us. So for us it was a natural shift from a publishing company to adapt technology and get into e-learning. And what we were not able to do just by books, we feel that by adapting e-learning will be not only increasing the horizon of people, but we feel that e-learning is also a tool which will in long term bring benefits of economy. The difficulty basically in terms of developing this software is that the way software is developed, there is a lack of skills. So there is a lack of skills in terms of subject matter experts, there is a lack of skills in terms of instructional designers. So as a company, and especially in K-12 space, so as a company we hire people, then we train them. Our partners, they come from Ireland and USA, they train them. But once they have worked with us for about 6 to 9 months, the process takes care of everything. The outcome of all this development is that within 1 year of our inception in Indian market, we got the 2 highest awards as a company for best school implementation and best private sector initiative in E-India 2010 award, which was in Hyderabad. And our software has also been rated for the best pedagogy. So I feel that our team in India has been very quick to adopt best practices, and today we are, I would say, in terms of quality, one of the best software developers in the country.
എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾക്ക് നിശ്ചിത ഫീസ് നൽകി ഇന്റർനെറ്റിൽ നിന്നും ഇ-ലേണിംഗ് സോഫ്റ്റ്വെയറുകൾ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. നിലവിൽ CBSE, ICSE സിലബസുകൾ ആധാരമാക്കിയാണ് ഇ-ലേണിംഗ് സോഫ്റ്റ്വെയറുകൾ ഇറക്കുന്നതെങ്കിലും പ്രാദേശിക ഭാഷയിലും ഇത്തരം സോഫ്റ്റ്വെയറുകൾ ഇറക്കാനുള്ള ശ്രമത്തിലാണ് പല കമ്പനികളും.
Now we have created a team of about 100 people, which has subject matter experts, which have instructional designers, which have software developers. So everything what we are doing right now is in India. So it is a software developed in India, and it is a software for Indian schools. If you are looking in professional education, it is very difficult for engineering colleges to create lab environments within the college because practical labs are very, very expensive. But with the use of e-learning, what happens is that you can simulate the whole experience within a classroom. So blended learning with e-learning in classrooms is a requirement of 21st century.
വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ മേഖലയിൽ മുന്നിട്ട് നിൽക്കുന്ന കേരളത്തിൽ ഇത്തരം സോഫ്റ്റ്വെയറുകളുടെ വിപണന സാധ്യത മനസ്സിലാക്കി വിപണി കൈയടക്കാൻ ഒരുങ്ങുകയാണ് ഈ മേഖലയിലെ കമ്പനികൾ. അമൃത ന്യൂസ്, കൊച്ചി.